In today's video, I'm going to share 3 healthy and easy popsicle recipes. We're going to start with a mango pineapple flavor. Next, we just add all the ingredients into a blender. We need 1 cup of mango and 1 cup of pineapple and juice of 1 lime. And then we just blend until smooth. And then we just pour the mixture into popsicle molds. And we pop these into the freezer for at least 4 hours or overnight. Now the popsicles have set. These popsicles are so refreshing and yummy. A perfect treat for hot summer days. Next, we're gonna make pistachio popsicles. We only need 4 ingredients. We need pistachios, full-fat Greek yogurt, honey or maple syrup, and lemon zest. So next, we're just gonna add all the ingredients into a blender or food processor. We need half a cup of pistachios and 1 cup of the yogurt. And 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. And about half a teaspoon of lemon zest. And then we just blend until creamy. And then we pour the mixture into popsicle molds. And then we're going to pop these into the freezer for at least 5 hours or overnight. Now the popsicles have set. And then we drizzle melted dark chocolate on top. And you can also add chopped pistachios. Here are the ready pistachio popsicles. They look so good. These are super creamy and yummy. Lastly, we're gonna make smoothie popsicles inspired by the viral strawberry glaze smoothie. First, we're gonna make a healthy strawberry glaze just by blending frozen strawberries with lemon juice. And then we just blend until smooth. Here's the ready strawberry glaze. If your blender struggles, let the berries sit for about 10 minutes so they soften. And next we're gonna make the smoothie. We need frozen or fresh strawberries. I'm also adding frozen raspberries for fiber. But if you don't have raspberries, you can use just strawberries. Then we need 1/4 banana. I'm using frozen banana. I'm using frozen fruit and berries because that way the popsicles set a lot quicker. Next we need some milk. And then I'm adding 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, but this is totally optional. And lastly, half a date for extra sweetness. And then we blend until creamy. The ready smoothie should have a beautiful pink color like this. Next, we're gonna add some strawberry glaze into the popsicle molds. And vanilla yogurt. And then we lightly stir so we'll get a cool pattern on the popsicles when we remove them from the molds when they're frozen. Then we add the popsicle sticks. These popsicle molds are my favorite because you'll get the frozen popsicles out very easily. I'll add the link to the description box. And then we just pour in the smoothie. The strawberry glaze yogurt decorations are totally optional, so you can leave them out if you like. And then we're gonna pop these into the freezer for at least 5 hours or overnight. Let's see how they turned out. Looks really cool. This looks really pretty. Here are the ready strawberry swirl smoothie popsicles. They look so good. Let's do a taste test. These are really good. Creamy, but refreshing. I'll add the written recipes to the description box as always. I would love to share more popsicle recipes, so let me know in the comments which flavors you want to see next. More healthy and easy recipes like these in my ebooks. I'll add the link down below. See you guys next week. Bye!